Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Friday and a great week. Well, today, as you can see, we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is inside this package. And I'm not real thrilled with the fact that they bent the cross-stitch kits into this tiny package, so I don't think it's gonna hurt anything. Just bend up the picture a bit and get it, whoops, all undone here and rebent. Now this package comes from GBFKE, and if they have any discount codes, or if I have any, they'll be right in here. So let's just get to the top one. And I got some of their little gold beads, and they are very tiny. So I figured they might work on 14 count for various projects. You could put them on 11 count as well, but these are really, really, really tiny, and I'm not sure of their exact size. Now they do have several different colors in these, and they were $2.36 per bag. So you get quite a few. I'm not sure, it doesn't say how many's in there. But yeah, I just thought it'd be good for all different kinds of projects. So I'm going to put those over there so I don't lose them. And we have two cross-stitch kits. And we're going to go with the smaller of the two. And this one is called Spring Morning Tea. It is 22 by 22. It was $5.92. Let me get it out of the bag. It's a Joy Sunday kit, of course, right? Seems to be all that we're getting lately these days. Let me get it out of its bag and kind of give it a little bend the other way, but I just thought this was cute. It does have back stitching in it, but it looks like pretty straight line back stitching. But I liked all the colors, and you can add or subtract whatever you want to this. But yeah, and it's cute and it's simple. The background I can see is in half cross stitch. So let's see how many colors it has. Holy cow. It has a total of 44 colors. It has full stitch, half stitch, and back stitch. No French knots. Can't use our beads, but you could put those to accent anything. It is 97 by 98. We have 310 black. We have 817, which is close to a brick red. We have 824, no 939. We have that 3799, which is a, what do you call it? That pewter color. And for what, I'm trying to get the other one out of the way. Sorry for the shadow. We have B5200 for the white. So, nice clear pattern here. Very cute. It's all on this side and a little bit down on this side. So, very nice. Let's take a look at the colors. And we have two thread cards. It does come on the good thread card. And we have two needles, of course, right here. The good thread card has the product number, how many threads are in there, the DMC number, and then the thread card number. So let's just get it undone there. There's your B5200. There's that pewter color. So we have pinks, we have oranges, we have greens, we have blues. Do we have purple? We'll have the whole rainbow here. Lots more greens. I just thought it was a cute little spring kit. There's that 817. It's more of an orangish red than a brick red. I guess it's 814, 815 that is the brick red. But very nice. Very nice indeed. Beautiful colors. Let's take a look at that huge canvas. I know, it's not very big. You know, I'm just into these little small ones, you know. Not that they're snack size and I'm finishing any of them, but yeah. I just think they're cute. And there's not a whole bunch of stitching. This is a partial because it doesn't go corner to corner. We have a nice little key running along here. So you have your back stitch here, your half cross stitch, and you have full cross running up both sides. It is serged all the way around, does have its name, and how many stitches per stitch it is. Let's see what it measures out to be. Total canvas is 22 centimeters, like it said, by 22.5 this way. Actual is 7 inches or almost 18 centimeters by almost 7 inches or 17.5 centimeters. The actual canvas is, looks like 8 3/4 inches. So very nice. I just thought it was cute. Something you can pick up, something easy to hold on your lap, or take it with you when you go somewhere, because it doesn't weigh very much. Just throw your scissors, your thimble in there, maybe a extra needle if you think you're going to need it. Yeah, and you're good to go. So this will be a good project to do outside, you know, when the spring comes. Or summer, if it ever gets here, because winter never showed up. So we'll see what summer's going to be like. All right. This one is 44 by 42. Joy Sunday, 14 count. $11.86. I like that they are reasonably priced. You know, so if you really don't like it, you haven't invested a whole bunch. But yeah, for what is in the kit and what you get, I think it's a bargain, because you couldn't do all these colors, you know, because you'd have to buy a full, you know, skein of thread for each one. This is called Sunrise Over the Snowy Mountains. Isn't that gorgeous? It is another partial. Oh, just loved it. Absolutely. And I have probably ordered this from somebody else as well, because, yeah, I like this. I loved it. Just beautiful. It's going to have back stitching. I'm not sure about the half cross. I can't tell. So let's take a look. We have 2 sets of numbers. This set goes to the canvas, and this set goes to the paper pattern. We have full stitch. I don't understand. Oh, this is part of this part right here. Just this column goes with the rest of the others for the canvas. Okay, full stitch, half stitch, and back stitch. You only have one color in half stitch and 5 different thread colors for your back stitch. But it's kind of the same tone, if you will. The greens, kind of a peach color. Just beautiful. I couldn't get over it. Let's take a look at what colors we do have. We have 310 black. See if there's anything else. Lots of greens, lots of golds. We have 939 as well as 310 black, and 3779, which is the pewter color. And for white, they are using B5200 and perhaps another color that's close to white. So very nice, very nice. And it comes on 6 pages. Just beautiful. Easy to see. Just absolutely stunning. Ugh. Can you ever? And the picture, I've noticed, comes out of its circular thing. Do you see that right here? It's not even. So very nicely done like that. I do like that. Very artistic. Let's take a look at the colors. Get them. Everybody's got a little bent and crink to it. It does have 2 needles. Comes on the good thread card again. This time we have 3 thread cards. So let me... Oh, well, that's attractive. Now I'm going to have to find a place for those needles. We may start this today. I just think it's beautiful. So let's look at those colors. They're all very earth tones. Beautiful. There's that other color, so it's more of a tan than an actual white. Ugh, beautiful. Olive greens, light greens, yellow greens, but very muted tones. Look at that peach. Isn't that gorgeous? There's 3371, which is a dark brown. Don't have very much 939 though, or 938. So maybe that's just something you outline with, or you have very few stitches. Look at that cream color. Isn't that gorgeous? Ugh. Lovely earth tones. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Yeah. I saw this and went, oh yeah. All right. Let's take a look at the canvas. Canvas is serged all the way around. This is fair good size. Doesn't look too confettied at all. I got to turn it this way because the actual picture. I'm going to try and push you up as high as I possibly can. So it has the name here. It is 198 stitches by 189 stitches. So it's about 50 by 50. It's very close. Actual canvas is 43 centimeters or 17 inches by really little over 42 and a half centimeters or almost 17 inches. The actual picture size is, if I can get everybody going in the right direction, little over 13 and a half inches or 34 centimeters by 35 and a half centimeters, maybe a little over it, and a little over 14 inches. So nice size, beautifully printed. I'm thrilled sick that it's not confettied. There's more rivers of color in this, and it's going to be accentuated by the back stitching, so very beautiful. I'm going to fold this in half and hold it as still as I possibly can. So very, very nice. Just absolutely beautiful canvas. Just stunning. So that is all that I got from GBFKE. I am really getting some great kits from them. I think the rabbit in the library is all, or it's either the rabbit or the hedgehogs came from GBFKE. So yeah, great kits, beautiful. Now GBFKE has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. They always have wide selection, great prices, so do check them out. Thank you, GBFKE, for sending me these gorgeous kits and my lovely new beads. We'll have to find out a place to use those. They're kind of a copper tone. I don't know if that's showing up. I'll turn it where the light is. Yeah, it's more copper than gold. So very nice. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.